Do burnout, and then we'll do one too.
Do burnout. Oh, that's
Down. You down or what? Chevrolet, brother.
all right, boys. Today we're doing the catch can on this. My brother's working on the booster pump and the hot wire kit. You don't want me to get too close? I don't even know how to use this. I don't know how to use this shit, guys. Ow. Well, yeah, we're struggling with this right now.
The crimper.
But we'll get it. With the crimpler. Our helper's not helping today. That's it. Oh, the fell. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the catch can. It's a hot one today. I'm sweaty. We've been running around doing stuff. See, everything's right up here. These under there. Put everything back on already. Still need to tap in, or not tap them, just bolt it onto the alternator. And then we need to set up what's it called? Oh, I can't remember the name of it. A boost switch, whatever. Yeah. I don't know. Oh. What?
Sold the van.
Sold the van?
Yep.
So now the van's gone. It was fun while it lasted. Alright, so we got it's not wired in yet, but it's on. What is
The
it
wires
called?
are right here though.
What is it called?
Hob switch.
Hob switch, okay, yeah, I can't remember. Alright, so we got that teed in to the blow-off valve line. We got the catch can ran. It's a little ugly, but once the covers are on there, you won't be able to see any of that.
Yeah.
Except for these. This. You got the booster pump on. Short. Alright, so he's got it plugged in. So now we're done.
Done. Just
Now the injectors.
we got them already.
We got them. We got the spacers. We got the bolts, the adapters. But we're gonna wait on that just because we don't want to put them on, and then we really won't be able to turn the car on to move it and stuff. So we're gonna get that in once we get to the shop.
Like that.
And we already set up the dyno tune.
Dyno tune.
And it's gonna take a little while, but they're busy. That's why
Book.
they're booked.
With
With what?
what is it? LSX Unlimited.
Yeah, Jeremy at LSX Unlimited.
Sponsorship, you know.
Yeah, if you want to sponsor it, by any chance, if you watch this and you want to throw a sponsor, we'll take it.
Anybody know sponsors? Tires?
Tires, anything. Here's the update on the truck that we got in the previous video. Previous. The update. Update the people.
Update?
What'd you do to it?
We took the motor out. We took the motor out. Redid gaskets.
Cam.
Took the broken bolts off the manifold, both sides.
The oil pump.
Oil pump.
Water pump.
Electric fans.
Electric fans. Oh.
New water pump, new AC stuff.
New AC. New water pump. New oil pump.
New Walmart battery.
Valve springs.
Painted the block, painted the head, painted everything black.
Cleaned it up nice.
This is a little loose, but it works.
And you're trying to race stroke.
Now we're gonna call out the white single cab.
Which?
New front end.
Oh. Cool. Which versus the other single cab? It should be a good run. They have the same cam in it.
They had the same. They had those wheels on it.
Yeah, these are the wheels from the white single cab. So we'll meet up with him later, hopefully. Once it cools down, no point in be racing in this heat. So this video will catch back on later. Alright boys, just pumped a little bit of gas. We're gonna be going to the cart, going to meet. I don't know if my homie's gonna come through, but I'll pick up another friend. We're gonna go see what we can find. It's a little dirty. It rained a while ago. I washed it. It rained. I didn't really wash it, but it was clean and it rained and it got dirty. But yeah, like my brother said, he got the 5.3 in it. He got oil pump, did the water pump, all the gaskets. And it has the same cam as the white single cab. Sounds pretty good. It runs pretty good too. We're gonna see. Hopefully we can find some runs or something. Would be kind of cool. Pick the homie. He hasn't been in a video since the wing challenge Rodrigo did. Now he's eating his McDonald's. Hopefully we find some races.
Hopefully.
Like that right there, like that one right there. Yeah, hopefully we find that one right now. I'm sure you can't see it.
He don't want the smoke.
I don't think he does. We'll make him want it though.
We'll talk shit.
Alright guys, so we just got here and as you can see it's packed.
We're extra early.
Yeah, we just got here a little bit early. Not really, but yeah. Hopefully we can find a race. Is that a Supra? Want to race a Supra with the truck? Yeah, I'm down. he said, I'm down.
Is he down?
I think he is. Do burnout. Oh, that's
down. You down or what? Chevrolet, brother. Go ahead, get it. Go wild. Come on, brother. Let's get it. Oh, go show him. Oh, did it turn?
No, it's still on.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
Let's see if it does. One doesn't.
Go, do this way. Whatever. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, it got that. Right.
That shit got that real good.
I want to race a Supra.
He don't want to, bro. He don't want no
But
smoke.
I feel like if we get him on the road, I feel like he'd be like, all right, let's do it.
It's because we had that camera out, bro.
Yeah, hopefully the camera makes it. All right, guys, we're gonna try to race a, what is it, 850? 850?
890.
890?
890 Supra.
Where'd I get 50 from?
I don't know.
890 Supra.
It's a new Supra. I don't know if it was a GR or not.
Is it the same thing though? Or is it like
Well,
faster?
some of them come with 2 liters and some come with the 3 liter.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
Which one's the bad one? The 3?
the 3 liter. Yeah, the inline 6. That's the badass one.
Tony! Tony! That was pretty cool. Man, that's pretty quick.
Yeah.
It says get gapped, so we'll see if we do get gapped. A little ricey, but
You don't want the smoke.
I'll let him get behind me. I'm gonna see which way he's going, and I'm gonna go whichever way he's going.
You don't want the smoke.
Let's run it.
Exit 2. Exit. Oh, we gonna do a 30 roll.
He was using to get away from me, so Ricky convinced me not to let him get away.
Right up. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
That was a good run. Damn, that was a good run.
That really was a good run.
That was a good run.
That was a good run.
Let's see if you'll get another one.
Let's talk to this food real quick. Damn, I would need some more miles in this truck. No. I thought it would be a gap.
That was a good run.
You don't tow it because I ain't trying to pay it.
Hell no. That's too much.
65 cents?
We got too many axles for that.
That's ass. That's ass. That is a pass. Hi, boys.
Well, we got at least one run in.
Well, 2 with the Supra.
Well, 2, yeah.
All right, we're going to end the video, though.
All right.
All right, we're going to end it. Say peace, Ricky.
Later.
I really appreciate him coming with me. No one else wanted to come with me. You know who you are. And, bye, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Appreciate it.